So our second fan question is, if you could have a showdown with any group, so it could be K-pop or a Pinoy group or any group in the world, who would it be?
Sino ba si Lisa?
Blackpink in your area.
Blackpink.
Blackpink!
I love
Blackpink!
Lisa.
Ako yan, taas na nung ano natin
sa Jenny na yan.
Jungkook, iharap mo na. Jungkook! Come to mama!
To mama!
Tingin ko yung Blackpink na lang kasi yun yung kaya namin. Kaya ko pala!
Let's go!
Basta kahit sino.
Wow, laban na
Laban.
laban.
Mm.
Billboard Philippines. Volumes.